Welcome to the Advanced Guide to Santander Current Account. This tutorial is designed to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of the features and benefits of a Santander current account. Firstly, it is essential to understand the different types of current accounts offered by Santander. These include the everyday current account, the premium current account, and the student current account. Each account has its unique features and benefits, and it is crucial to choose the one that suits your needs. To open a Santander current account, you will need to provide identification and proof of address. You can apply online, by phone, or in a branch. The application process typically takes a few minutes, and you will receive your account details and debit card shortly after. One of the key features of a Santander current account is the ability to manage your account online. And through the mobile app, you can check your balance, view transactions, and transfer money to other accounts. You can also set up direct debits and standing orders to make regular payments. Santander also offers a range of overdraft facilities, which can provide you with extra funds when you need them. However, it is essential to understand the interest rates and charges associated with overdrafts and to use them responsibly. In addition to the account features, Santander also offers a range of benefits, including cashback, discounts, and exclusive rewards. For example, the Santander 123 current account offers cashback on household bills and interest on your balance. To get the most out of your Santander current account, it is essential to manage your account effectively. This includes regularly checking your balance, monitoring your transactions, and keeping your account details up to date. You should also take advantage of the account benefits and features, such as cashback and discounts. In conclusion, a Santander current account can provide you with a convenient and flexible way to manage your finances. By understanding the different types of accounts, features, and benefits, you can choose the account that suits your needs and make the most out of it. Remember to manage your account effectively, and take advantage of the benefits and features to get the best value from your account.